All right, today we're gonna bring a shower head, and this one has a built-in filter system. All right, now great features are included with this, including the instructions how to take this whole thing apart. There's 3 modes that you can use in the back of it. All right, now on top of the 3 modes, you also have this option where you could take it off and use it as a single mode too. All right, so that's a great option. You got your stop button and your on button. You got a shower mount head, so you can actually set it up over your head or over your existing piping too. Long hose, plumber's tape, and look at this. 2 extra filters. These are stainless steel filters because these in time they do get clogged, and you got to remove it. In order to remove it, you have to twist this whole thing off, all right, and take the centerpiece and replace this. So because not just the filter system's in here, it's built in the actual rod itself, right? Now this one is a filter for this part right here. Like I said, it gets molding, stainless, and stainless gets kind of like built up calcium and so forth, but you're able to replace this. Very simple. So today we're gonna actually take a shower with it and test it out. But first, let me show you the features, how the spray works. This is my existing shower head, and if you can see, I already have a mount too, but this is already getting old, mildew, and if you guys can see, it builds up, and I can't get rid of it, and it stops clogging. Everything starts clogging up, so we're gonna replace this. All right, as you can see, it fit perfect on my existing one, so I don't need the other one. All right, this is one mode right now, if you guys can see that. Really powerful mode. This is the shower on it, and it has 3 modes, of course. Got the center mode, all right, little calmer, and then you got the single sprayer. Look at that. This is like a mist, and I'm doing it with one hand. You guys can see how simple it is. Regular sprayer, 2 spray, outside spray. Look at that. Open the valve completely. Center. Mist. I'm gonna show you one more. Our last one, if you won't look at this one, if you ever want to clean up your stuff, I like this. You can clean up. Spray everywhere pretty much. But overall, you get a great shower. You get filtration system, you get less of the mildew built up, and you can actually replace and rewash this one and reuse it. You get a stop button here, 3 different phases, and enjoy your showers. So hope you guys enjoy the video.